Alright, let's get real for a second. You've probably heard about Cash App. You know it's for sending money to friends, right? But did you know it can also be your bank? Yep, you read that right. Cash App is more than just a peer-to-peer payment app. It's evolving into a full-fledged digital banking platform. So, if you're thinking, can I really use Cash App for online banking? The answer is a resounding yes. But how do you actually set it up? That's what we're diving into today. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why you might want to use Cash App as your main bank. It's fast, it's convenient, and it offers some pretty cool features that traditional banks might be lagging on. But, like any financial tool, it's essential to understand how it works before jumping in headfirst. So, let's break it down. How do you transform this app you use to split dinner bills into a place to hold your entire paycheck? Well, it all starts with linking your bank account. This might sound counterintuitive, but stick with me. Linking your bank account is the first step to unlocking Cash App's banking potential. To do this, you'll typically need to open the Cash App, tap on your profile, and look for an option that says something like Link Banks or Add Bank Account. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to enter your bank account information. This usually includes your account number and routing number. Now, here's a quick tip: double-check your numbers. One wrong digit and you could be in for a world of trouble. Trust me, I've been there. It's a small step, but it's crucial. Once you've linked your bank account, Cash App will typically verify it. This might involve a small deposit and withdrawal to confirm ownership. It's a security measure, so don't panic when you see those tiny transactions. With your bank account linked, you're well on your way to using Cash App as your main bank. But wait, there's more. You can also set up direct deposit to receive your paycheck directly into your Cash App account. This is a game changer, especially if you're someone who hates waiting for payday. To set up direct deposit, you'll need to provide your Cash App account and routing number to your employer. You can usually find this information in the Cash App settings under the Banking tab. Alright, so you've linked your bank, set up direct deposit, and you're starting to feel like a Cash App pro. But what about other banking essentials like bill pay? Don't worry, Cash App has got you covered. While it might not be as robust as some traditional banking platforms, you can generally pay bills directly from the app. To pay a bill, you'll typically need the bill payer's information, which includes their name, address, and account number. Cash App will then guide you through the payment process. Now, let's talk about security. Using any financial app comes with inherent risks. It's essential to protect your account by creating a strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and being wary of phishing attempts. Cash App also offers additional security features like PIN protection and biometric login. Take advantage of these to add an extra layer of protection. Remember, Cash App is a relatively new player in the banking game. While it offers convenience and some unique features, it might not have the same level of customer support or branch network as traditional banks. So, weigh the pros and cons carefully before making the switch. And there you have it. A basic guide to setting up Cash App for online banking. Remember, this is just a starting point. There are likely more features and nuances to discover. Always explore the app, read the fine print, and if you're unsure about something, reach out to Cash App support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.